Hello there, this is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. I want to thank you so much for stopping by on our channel. I want to share with you today a video testimonial from one of our customers, Mr. Grant Gebhardt. We did some structural support in his house in Marietta, and he wants to explain to you how the process was. Stick around in order to check it out, this video testimonial.
Okay. Hey, my name is Grant Gebhardt. I'm in Marietta, East Cobb. My fiance and I were trying to buy a house, and we got a structural engineer to come out here and look at some sloped stairs. When they did, they said that the right side of these stairs weren't supported. So we were looking around for somebody to come out here and help us out, and MOG hooked us up big time. They work really hard. They're very easy to communicate with, very responsive, and that was a big reassurance to us. And they got the job done really well. When stuff came up, little hiccups in the road, MOG was really responsive, I'm telling you guys. They were on top of it, and they're gonna work really hard for it. So, looks great, and I really appreciate it.